We will now demonstrate the tulip stitch. Using 6 strands of floss, color number 6, bring the needle through at the top position. Then bring the needle down to the same spot. Bring the needle through at the end position. Bring the needle down in the original position and pull the floss. Bring the needle through at the left position. Bring the needle through this small stitch. Then bring the needle down at the symmetrical position on the right. This forms the tulip stitch. We will continue to demonstrate this stitch. Bring the needle through the small stitch below. Adjust the shape of the entire stitch. Then switch to another color. All right, this tulip stitch is now complete.